According to Google, your play balance is non-transferable. Well, that's in a direct sense because there are creative ways to transfer your play balance to wallets like Cash App. And that's just what I'll be showing you in this video. Stay tuned. There are two ways to transfer your play balance to Cash App, and each of these methods will involve an intermediary bank account. So the first method will be to go to the Google Play official website. Once there, you want to click on your profile icon just as so, and then you go to payments and subscription. From here, you want to click on add a payment method and add your bank account. If you are able to add your bank account, you do so, and after adding your bank account, you want to transfer this play balance to your bank account. That's if and only if you're able to do so. But if you are not able to do so, which I think is the case of many of you out there, then you have to rely on the second option I'm just going to show you. So the second option will be to use a rewards converter app. Unlike the other methods, this method is costly because you'll be charged 40% of the amount you're trying to transfer. Say you want to transfer $100 US, you will be receiving 60 while 40 will be going in for the fees. Okay, so you want to consider this option well before transferring, before using it, because since there's no official method, the only workarounds are going to be costly. Now, if you're ready to use this rewards converter app, here's just how you can do. You want to download the application from the link in the description, and then you select your payout mode. Here you want to select your bank account as the payout mode, okay, and then you enter the amount you want to convert. From there, you just click on submit. Now you want to enter your name, your mobile number. These are the details that will be used to sign or to create you an account here. Now you want to enter the bank account number, okay, your bank account number. You click on submit details, and after here on this last page, you want to verify the other details. Now you should be very careful at this page. Take note of the 40% fees that will be charged for the service. And after you confirm that everything is okay, your bank account is correct, you want to click on convert amount. Now after clicking on this convert amount, you will be receiving your balance within minutes. You should check your bank account to make sure that the money has actually arrived to your account. Okay, and once you've received the funds in your bank account, you can then add them directly to your Cash App balance. It is very easy to do so. You just want to open the Cash App mobile app on your phone. You go to the money tab, and then you press add money. From there, you want to enter the amount that you want to load. Select the payment method, in which case is your bank account, or you can use the debit card if this one is directly tied to your bank account. And now when prompted, you want to confirm your PIN or your biometrics. The funds should be added in your Cash App balance within no time, and you should be able to use your funds directly on Cash App. Now if you find any of these two methods inconvenient for you, I'm just going to recommend that you use your play balance for what it is intended for, which is by using it to purchase items on your Google Play Store. This is the official route provided by Google that you can only rely on to use officially for your play balances. They are not refundable nor transferable, so you just want to use it directly for what it is intended for, to avoid any inconveniences and excessive charges. So that's just what you need to know when looking to transfer funds from your play balance to your Cash App mobile application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.